Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So to continue on with our $2, we're looking at the $2 coins, and we've made it through to 2017, and along came the Possum Magic $2 coin set, or it's really more than just a $2 coin set. But let's have a closer look at these coins. So these can be found, the $2 coins can be found in circulation. But let's have a look at this set. There are also $1 coins in this set. This set was released through Woolworths stores. So the coins went into the tills that you could, I think they released one per week. So there are three $2 coins in this set, and you were able to get them when you paid for your groceries with cash, and they would hand them out that way. So that's the way that they made them turn up in circulation. So we'll have a closer look at the coins. Hopefully we can see them there. There's three $2 coins there, and the final one, which is probably the one I like the most, as it just has a bit more colour to it. But the interesting thing about this set is that it also came with four $1 coins. As we can see, we'll have a closer look at those in a moment. But it also came with a 1 cent coin, which is probably the more special of any of these coins. But let's zoom in on that one there, and that's the one there. And obviously a 1 cent coin is not something that's ever going to be found in circulation. I'm just trying to keep the glare off it there, but so you can still see the detail of the 1 cent coin, and it's got a possum on there, and the obverse has the queen. Alright, so that's really the special coin. But let's have a look at these dollar coins here. Occasionally I have found these guys in circulation. So typically they're not meant to be in circulation, but they are found because people take them or remove them from these sets, which is pretty easy. There's no plastic covering over it. It's literally just pushed into a pocket. So probably not the best packaging, but still, it's neatly presented anyway. So that's the third one there, and the fourth one. So my honest feeling on these coins, I actually don't like them. And I think they're lacking in detail. Yes, they've splashed a bit of coloured paint on them. But as far as $2 coins go, they're really not my favourite. The whole sort of Possum Magic thing just doesn't really appeal to me in any way either. But these coins were good value. As a set, you could pick up this set from Woolworths for $15. So it's $10 and 1 cent worth of coins for $15. So really, it's a great value pack. And yes, they are worth more than what they were originally sold for. I've had a look at eBay sort of recent sales, and these sort of sets have been selling for the $25 to $30, including postage. So $15 is what you could have picked it up for from Woolworths. So they've almost doubled in price in the past couple of years. I searched to find out what the mintage is, and I actually went into the 2016, 2017, and the 2017, 2018 annual reports, and I couldn't find the details. So I have no idea what the mintage is on these coins, and obviously the $1 coins I would say would be a lot lower mintage, possibly only as many as the sets. The $2 coins will be possibly at around 2 million each, which seems to be a figure that the mint do produce these coloured coins in. And the 1 cent coin will also be a very special one because it will be just purely limited to this set also. So yeah, that's about all there really is for me to say on this particular set. I actually like the dollar coins more than I like the $2 coins, even though I find it a little bit hard to make out exactly what's going on. But look, if anyone's able to find out what the mintage is on these coins, let me know in the comments, and I will put the mintage into the description of this video. So if you're watching this down the track and want to know and we found out, it'll be in the description. Alright guys, hope you've enjoyed this look at the 2017 $2 coins. And because these came out in 2017, we are having a little look at it, but it's also good to have a look at the whole set. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll have another video for you soon.